Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we are making mango mousse. With just 3 ingredients, this easy mango mousse recipe needs just about 10 minutes to make. Let's start by dissolving half a teaspoon of unflavored gelatin powder in 2 tablespoons of hot water. Stir until it's completely dissolved. Add the gelatin to 2 cups of canned mango puree or freshly blended mango and mix it well. Add the heavy cream and whip until it reaches medium soft peaks. This is the time to add some powdered sugar if your mangoes aren't that sweet. Now pour the mango mixture into a large bowl and gently fold the whipped cream with a rubber spatula in 3 batches. Be careful, do not overmix. You want the mousse to be light and airy. Spoon your mango mousse into serving glasses. Refrigerate at least for 2 hours for maximum flavor before eating. Oh my gosh, this looks so good! Till next time, enjoy!